So one issue with this car is the heater blower only works on full, so we've got nothing until you get to the full and then it goes full. That's a fairly common problem you get in cars, and what it is usually it's the heater blower resistor has blown, so the power's only going through the full position. So we'll go take that one out. It's underneath the dash over there next to the motor, and we'll swap it out. So I got this replacement resistor. This one is a eBay one, listed as a heater blower resistor control for Terrano R20. It's got like part number 27150-2M105 2715021 or 2M105. So that seems to be a common size for a lot of Nissans. Measuring it, it's like a little bit bigger on the plug end, the side, but it does still fit. So we're going to put that in and check it's correct, because the wiring could potentially be different. So that's our blower motor there, up underneath. That's the plug I've just taken off, 2 screws, and then it sort of slides out of the pipe because the airflow is cooling the resistor off. You can see it's blowing out the side there. Yeah, so this one is what, got 98 date code on it, so it's probably original. Our replacement one is there. You can see it's a slightly bit different in terms of the wiring, I guess a little schematic there, but I think it's going to work the same, so I'll just plug that in and it should work. So our new resistor is in there, just on 0. We've got a 1, we've got a slight bit of breeze. 2, a little bit more. 2 and 3 feel about the same actually, but 4 works. So yeah, there might be a slight difference in the wiring there, meaning that second and third position seem to have about the same amount of power going through the motor. So we should be able to just pop these tabs open, tabs on the back, and separate the plug. I'm just pressing down those tabs. That's joining onto those. So we'll swap these two wires around and see what happens. So I ended up changing pretty much all those wires. I think I got it. So got our low, medium, so next to top, and then top. So there's not too much difference between number 3 and 4, but there is an increase. So I think that's correct. So I ended up going from left to right. It was originally yellow stripe, black stripe, red stripe, and then white stripe. So now it's red stripe, black stripe, white stripe, yellow stripe, which seems to agree with that the traces. That white stripe is on the biggest trace as it was on that other one, so I think that's correct. So I just put that plug back together and put it in.